Welcome to NCCTV.
Yep. Like you're a bit more happier. Yeah. Why the hell? Started weird.
Hey, what's up? I'm Brandon, and welcome to NCCTV. We are here to showcase our industry experts on how to install doors and windows, selecting interior cabinet hardware, or selecting a cabinet door. Regardless of what the topic might be, we're going to provide you with as much content so that you can make these educated decisions effectively. What? Are we filming?
Yeah, do you?
Oh.
Deal with great guys like Brandon at NCC.
Yeah, deal with great guys like us. Whether you're renovating your home or building a new home, or if you're a builder, make sure to go hit the bell button at the top so you can take advantage of this great information that we're going to provide for you.
Welcome to NCCTV. My name is László Berta. Our company is Eurostar Ceramic Tiling Ltd. We started a company a long time ago in 2013 in Regina. We are installing the bakery floor now with porcelain mosaic tile, and was a little challenge to make this commercial floor looks like a home floor. It was unleveled and uneven. We have to prep really good. So to start a job, we have to measure from the long wall to the center line. Then we can measure from there to the border around the tile, around the middle part. Second step is to prime the floor to make the mortar connection really well and stick to the floor. So this is the porcelain hexagon mosaic tile made of China. It's a white matte tile, matte finish, and a shiny black for the border. It's easy to work with, but it's difficult because it's small and it's on a mesh. So the grout lines is only 1/8, 2 millimeter. So that makes it difficult to make all grout lines is nice and even. We have to put 6-7 bags of grout here. Water and the powder. That's the best grout, Mapai Ultra Color plus FA. The one step better is epoxy grout for pools and jacuzzi. A lot of people don't like to use this kind of grout because it's a fast setting and you have only a certain time to work with. Yeah, this is why a lot of people doesn't like to use it. I love to use it. It's so good. Just let it dry, clean it up, that's it. Thank you for watching, guys, this short video about this project. Make sure you check the other videos where we install the VD system in a steam shower. Like and share this video, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and again, we are Eurostar Ceramic Tiling with NCCTV. See you again soon.
If you enjoyed this episode, hit the bell button and subscribe for more great videos. Thanks.